So, you are about to participate in my most technical, step by step event that I have ever run, and your registration for the Mastering Python and Freelance workshop is almost complete. This will be huge, so listen to me carefully. What you are about to get access to in this event are 10 classes directly comparable to a computer science degree from Harvard or IIT. Maybe even better than that. By the end of these masterclasses, you will not only have mastered coding in Python, but also have freelance paying you anywhere from 3 to 10,000 rupees per month if you follow everything I say righteously and diligently. And here's how it's gonna work. So it all starts with our first class on Monday, where I walk you through everything step by step. That includes the basics of coding, the basics of computer science, and how to install all the necessary softwares accurately. Then on class 2, which is on Tuesday, we start with hands-on coding. And I will also tell you about the vicious cycle most developers fall into, which is jumping from failure to failure, and how you can break free from this cycle by following simple, actionable steps. Then in class 3, which is on Wednesday, we will start working on mini projects, which will build your portfolio like no other. And every single day in this masterclass tops the one prior to it. I've personally worked with the government of Pune, the government of Maharashtra, corporations and organizations like Tech Mahindra, Rotary International, SPJF, APJ Abdul Kalam Foundation, Space Zone India. I've launched my own rockets, satellites, I have world records, and I attribute all of this, at least most of it, to knowing how to code efficiently and effectively. And I will be teaching you all of it personally and live, so you can do it too. Maybe do it even better than I did. This is the workshop or masterclass I wish I had when I first started to learn coding when I was 10 years old. Now, almost after a decade of experience, failures, and learning from the industry, I bring to you this masterclass. I've kept only 20 seats for this workshop because I want to give every single student the special attention that they deserve. The demand for blockchain developers went up by 517% in the last 8 months. The demand for front-end developers went up by around 200%. Learning to code is the best decision you or your kid can make right now. And especially in these time of vacations, utilizing every single hour of your free time would reward you exponentially in the future. So book your spot right now by clicking on the button below or going to virutech.org. Allow me to help you build a brighter future for yourself.